I want. Yeah, you
it's
can
my first
continue.
session on this app.
Okay, you are doing your first session.
Yeah, I just downloaded
Okay.
the Skype app in the morning today.
Anybody suggest you that you should download the Skype app?
Actually, I watched many videos conversing on YouTube. That's why I downloaded it.
Yeah, it's a very good method to learn English and practice English.
Yeah, of course, ma'am.
Yeah, if you join some class, they will want some amount. But I think on this platform, it is total free of cost.
That's why I downloaded it.
Yeah. So
Yeah, ma'am.
I know just a little bit introduction from your side,
Yes, sure,
like
ma'am.
your
My
name. Yes.
my name is Rabi, and I am from district Sambal, UP. And I just completed my graduation in BS stream, and right now I'm looking for a job.
You have done your graduation in which stream?
BS stream,
BA.
ma'am. And what
Okay,
about
okay.
you?
And, I am Tanya and I am connecting with you from Rajasthan.
Okay.
And I am a homemaker and I
Hmm.
have done my post graduation also. Right now, I'm a YouTuber also. I'm doing this type of, this is, you can say, my new hobby. I'm doing conversation with my co-learners, and after that, I'm uploading the video.
Okay, ma'am. Then what's the name of your channel?
My channel's name is. I will write it in comment box. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
because then I told you. I think sometimes you forget, so I will write my channel's name.
Oh, got it, ma'am.
After
Got it.
that, you can search it very easily.
Okay.
Why are you learning English?
Actually, ma'am, most of friends of mine are working in a BPO, and my friends suggest to me if you are good in English, then you can find a better job in a BPO. That's why I'm learning. I just started learning
Yeah.
from 3 months ago.
Okay. Because
Yeah,
right
ma'am.
now English you can say it is a global language and
Yeah,
it
of
is very
course.
necessary for official work also. If you go in BPO type job, international call center, if you had joined, it is necessary, it is mandatory. You have to learn.
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay. Which kind of method you are applying for learning English right now?
Actually, I have a Jostock app, and when I have time, then I use this app for improve my English. And I also watch English videos and blogs in English for improving my English because I have to create environment for English. That's why it's my
But I
routine.
will give you a suggestion. Audio call is very good thing for in the beginning time. But I think after that you should practice on video call. It is very good. When you are doing face to face, I think it is another thing. It is a different thing
Yeah.
from audio calls. After
Yes,
that,
I will
I
do.
think if somebody is starting from video call, they can build up their confidence also.
Yeah,
And I think you should daily practice on video mode.
I will do, ma'am.
Yeah.
And I hope it will be better. It's my first time on this app, and it's
No, no,
free
you
of
are
cost.
doing very good. You are doing very good. When we are meeting first time, I think there is no topic. So today I just want to know little about weather from your side. How is the weather today?
You can see it's a sunny outside. It's sunny weather
Yeah,
today. It's better
yes.
than before in my place.
Pa- yeah, past few days the weather was not so good.
Yeah, of course. But
There
now
was
it's
fog.
so
There was fog, dense fog
damn fog.
before
Yeah,
past. Yeah.
yeah.
And right now in Rajasthan also very bright sunny day. So today I have
Mhm.
completed my all laundry work. I have washed so many clothes. All the cushion covers I have washed today.
Yeah.
Because few days ago the weather was not so good and Rajasthan the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius in the morning time.
Hmm.
In UP also same.
Yeah, same, ma'am. Same
Okay.
weather.
You know,
Like it.
yeah. And right now Makar Sankranti is just around the corner.
Okay, but I don't have any idea of, of this festival because I don't celebrate.
What?
I don't celebrate, but my family celebrate because I
Okay,
don't have
okay.
time for my family. That's why.
Okay, which type of sweets you like in Makar Sankranti? Because there are still good laddu, na?
Yeah, of course, my family members makes this laddu and other type of snacks also.
In my area, there is a kite festival. Gujarat in
Mm.
Rajasthan, there is a kite festival, and all day we fly the kite. In the night time, we lit up a kandil. Yeah, kandil. Candle. No, it's
Candles.
in Hindi. Yeah, it's in Hindi. It is called kandil, and when we call in English, it can be called candle flight. I think you have
Okay.
seen in the sky also in the night time.
Yeah, yeah,
Candle
I see.
flying,
Yeah, I
candle
have
kite.
seen. I
Yeah,
have
it is
seen.
a culture. Yeah, and this day, DJ in on full swing.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes,
and
yes,
on
ma'am.
15th January, it is a holiday for all
Hmm.
the schools, all the offices will be closed
Hmm.
that day, and we will celebrate this festival.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you like Makar
Yes,
Sankranti?
yes, I like. I already told you what my I don't have time for celebrating with my family, but my family celebrate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Because
On this
I
day,
have,
we
I
donate
have
something like. Okay. Okay. You can carry on. You are saying
no
something.
problem. You carry on.
On this day, we make khichdi also in the night
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Khichdi.
I think in UP also make khichdi.
Yeah. Actually, I ate khichdi in the morning. It
Okay.
was
Okay.
with also.
Some people make a vegetable khichdi also on this occasion.
Hmm.
They added some peas, some cauliflower,
Hmm.
many types of lentils also they are adding.
Yeah.
And in this festival we always donate something like lentils, some rupees, you can say some tilgud laddu to the pandit ji.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, your family also doing this type of thing?
No, ma'am. They don't.
Query if you want, you can ask me. I will give you replies.
It's my first time. That's why I'm getting stuck. What should I ask you?
Don't feel hesitate, because if somebody is starting first time, I think it is same for all the learners. But after 2, 3, 4, I don't know how many lessons you have to take on, but after some time I think you feel confident.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think I can
I
improve
have
my.
started my learning journey before 3 months ago,
Hmm.
and
Three
it
months
doesn't
ago.
matter that, yeah, and it doesn't matter that you are not speaking very correctly, you are not
Hmm.
speaking flawlessly. It doesn't matter, you should only speak and speak, because all are here for speaking.
Of course, ma'am.
Nobody can judge you that you are speaking very good, you are not speaking in a proper way. I think it is not good. First, you should cultivate a habit only for speaking. You never think that I am not speaking in a correct way, my vocabulary is not good. Never think. You should just
Hmm.
only speaking. You should give your only focus on speaking.
Yeah.
And everyday practice is very compulsory. If you are
It's
not
very.
doing this, like some person, first day they join the session, after 3 days, okay, I will do after 5 days. After the consistency is broken,
Yeah.
you
It's
should be consistent.
important for improving my English and other English
Yeah.
also. Hmm.
If you want that I should become a good speaker, you should, you can say some debate type, different topics. After that, you can get so many vocabulary, so many type of a sentence structure also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know,
Got it, ma'am.
if, yeah, if you are doing hard work, you can say every day you are doing practice. After that, you can get so many vocabulary in front of anybody is speaking. You can get so many vocabulary.
Oh,
Yeah, this is the key of the success. Okay,
got
tell
it,
me one
ma'am.
thing. Why you want join BPO?
Actually, I don't have any idea what work should I do. Actually live in village, and my friend went to Noida, and he works there from 3 months ago. And they suggest me, if you are good in English, you can find a better job like me. And he's also earning a handsome salary. That's why he suggested me.
I know they are giving handsome salary in BPO sector, but it's not a long time. I think not long time job. I think so.
Oh, we can improve our communication skills. That's why.
Because in Uttar Pradesh there is a Noida city. I
Hmm.
think you have heard. It is the
Yeah.
hub of the call center also.
Hmm.
And in Delhi there are some areas. They are the hub of the call centers. International, domestic, any kind of call center you can find.
Actually, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Have a nice conversation. My brother is calling me, and we should
Okay,
uh,
okay, okay. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.